Alright, this is the front end for the 6.3. Just sort of doing a mock-up of it. Basically I need to drill holes for these brackets, for these air lines. There should be one on either side for these brackets. Everything else is in place, engine mounts are in place. These are the new bolts and washers for the upper control arms. Then we've got these lower control arm hinge pins which bolt on here. I need to review the procedure for setting these up. And there's the bump stops, there's 2 each per lower control arm. They need to be pressed in. Grease seals for the upper control arms. And these bushings for the leaf springs which attach to the front of the subframe on these arms. Then we've got the actual mounts here that mount to the chassis. Okay, here's one of the lower control arms. Yeah, those buffers, they're the ones I showed before, these ones here. Replace them. Obviously looking pretty sad. These threads here for these bearing caps. One of them is slightly stripped, but I'm hoping that will be salvageable. Other than that, they should be good to go.